Want to know some of the best extensions for calm? Well, for enhancing calm and focus while using a web browser, several Chrome extensions stand out. Now, Calm, a popular mental wellness app, doesn't have browser extensions or add-ins in the traditional sense itself. Instead, Calm is primarily a mobile app and a web platform designed to help with stress management, sleep, and overall well-being through guided meditations, sleep stories, and soundscapes. If you're looking for ways to integrate Calm's features into your browser experience, you can utilize its web platform or explore other apps that offer similar functionality. Now, Calm primarily focuses on delivering its content through its mobile app and website, so there is no any direct browser extensions. However, you can hop over to web and you can add in other extensions for the browser itself. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.